Your Excellency, the President, Right Honorable Prime Minister, the Deputy President, my colleague, leaders, and all the people present, I beg to greet you all good morning. I welcome all of you to the PG this morning, the first joint PG of this wonderful team that is performing great transformation in our country. Your Excellency, since the coming together of your team and the team of the Prime Minister, Raila, leadership in Parliament has had a fairly easy time. It's still not easy because we have many other challenges, but speaking from our perspective as a Senate, a house that is sometimes very difficult because of an elusive number called 24, which is not very easy to raise on many occasions. But with the assistance of colleagues from the ODM party, together with colleagues, I think when Leader Ichung'wah recognized all the parties, you forgot to mention our party, the party of Jubilee, that it is actually present here. It's good to recognize them. They are also a very formidable team for us in the Senate. They have a serious number of delegation, and they have been very useful to us. I must register my appreciation to you, party leader that is here, together with the entire team of Jubilee. Your Excellency, I want to say that this is a very important gathering. Last week, both you and the Prime Minister and even the Deputy President spent time with the governors at the Devolution Conference. And there are certain things that you said, which as members of Parliament, we felt that you are keeping not very good company for too long. And members were saying, when will we meet the President and the Prime Minister, so that they also appreciate things from our perspective as members of Parliament. So we hope today you'll also say something about governors after listening from the perspective of members of Parliament. Because there are certain things that you said, Prime Minister, which if you stop, then it is as good as telling us to go hard goods as senators. But it will be good to listen to your wisdom, because I know you have been around as a leadership for too long, and it was not for lack of useful things to say that you said the things you say. So we want you to persuade us, Your Excellency, so that we get to understand what is it that you feel we are not doing right as Parliament. In any case, many of the practices, including the not so good one, the people who we took over the baton of leadership from, they're in this room, including yourselves. So it will be important. I'm being told 2 terms to 2 terms to be on to the President. At the risk of overdoing myself, Your Excellency, together with the Prime Minister, I just felt it will be important to register that part of the feeling on the part of members. I know we'll listen to a presentation. Then during the open mic session, after we have listened to the Prime Minister, the Deputy President, and to you, we'll have a chance also to speak and share our challenges as members of Parliament on how we can move the country better together. I thank you and I appreciate everything. God bless you.